In our last video, we learned about installing Python, downloading PyCharm, and we wrote our first program. So in this tutorial today, we are going to learn about the next topic of Python. So we are going to learn about numbers. So in numbers, Python allows us to do 7 different basic arithmetic operators such as division, addition, multiplication, subtraction, modulus, floor divisions. First of all, we will make a simple operation in the new open files from PyCharm ID. The process is very similar to the previous one. All you have to do is to write down print and open both parentheses and quotes inside the mathematical operation, the same way you did for the text in our first program. Only this time, before closing the parentheses, you will have to add a comma and rewrite the same operations again as seen. So let's go. So as it was in this time around, you are going to just write print, open parentheses, put quotes, then after opening quotes, we are going to put n mathematical operation, like say 5 plus 4 equals, don't forget to put equals, then comma. We repeat the operation like as in the first. For me, I'm going to copy this and I paste it. But for this time around, the last operation does not contain equals and quotes. So when we run this program, it's going to give us an answer like a calculator in our terminal. See? So 9 plus 5 equals 5 plus 9 plus 4 equals 9. So if we try to make another operation like print, open parentheses, quotes, say let's say 5 minus 4 equals, then a comma, repeat the operation 5 minus 4. We run our program. It prints out the answer 5 minus 4 equals 1. So that's all about working or dealing with numbers. So like we add on another operation, print, open parentheses, quotes. Let's deal with what? Division 6. Let's just skip 6. 6 divided by 3 is equivalent to comma. Then we repeat the operation 6 divided by 3. Let's run a program. Yeah, it gives us 2.0. Yeah, so this is all about dealing with numbers. As last time we were dealing with text. So for this time around, we are going to deal with numbers. You know what? Whenever you are performing an operation, you have to know that the order of the operation matters. So you need to know that in case you have multiplication or division, they are going to be performed before division or subtraction. Therefore, in this example, you may take it easy, or you can use board mass if you learned about mathematics. So you can, when you're dealing with mathematical operations, you can follow the order of board mass. You can follow the order of board mass. You can follow the order of board mass. So you can try out such mathematical operations in your PyCharm. If you are using, let me say, you are using Python ID, you can use it and run such operations for your study, to more master how numbers are dealt in Python. So let's go for our next tutorial. We are going for, let me call it, variables. You can even do more complex operations and insert them in one single code of line and add more operations all together. We can also add, subtract, use division in just a single line code statement. Let me just show you what I'm trying to talk about. Just a moment. Let's say print. Print double parenthesis, double quotes, then we open brackets inside our double quotes. We open when we are dealing with many operations. We put these operations, these numbers, in quotes, in brackets inside the quotes. As you are seeing, 1 plus, let me say 1 plus 2 minus 3, that's 0, eh? Okay, minus 2, close the brackets, times, let's say times 2, then equals, don't forget to repeat the same expression, the same operation as it was. Then we print out such complex numbers. You can deal with them and we see the answer. It's going to give us the answer when we run our program, our PyCharm. We are going to run a program. You see that it's giving us the answer. It's giving us the answer. So that's the answer. This 1 plus 2 minus 2 times 2 is equals 2. It's the answer. You can even try to put it on your calculator. You can work it down and see. Python is very easy. It's reliable with numbers, variables. We learn, of course. It's a try. It's not complicated. So as you see, that's all about complex operation. You can do more complex operation using the same idea here. You can do a lot of numbers. You can write codes. You can write programs like a calculator. Those